Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use GLM 5.2 for free and Qwen 3.8 for free. Okay, first thing first, let's begin with the GLM 5.2. Okay, first of all, let's go to this website chat.z.ai. Okay, at first look, we have GLM 4.7, GLM 5.2. It's locked by default. Okay, how to use it? I unlock this here now. Okay, you have to go here to this sign up for free. Log in using your Google account. Use your Google account. Let's continue. Okay, after sign up, we have this screen. We have to continue with Google to connect. Okay. Okay, fine. As you can see, our new model is unlocked here. You can use it for free. Okay, let's test it. Let's choose GLM. Here we have to, you can add a search, add image, or deep thinking max, or use as you want. For me, let's test by creating a website about celebrating of Spain of the World Cup 2026. You start thinking. Okay, as you can see, this is the index file. Okay, let's open our website from this. Okay, as you can see, GLM 5.2, it's make good work with this nice design. As you can see, it's a professional design gallery. It's very nice. Okay, let's do the same thing with the Qwen 3.8 using the same prompt, using it for free. Let's search for Qwen. Go here to Qwen website.ai and let's go here to Qwen Studio. Sign up. Continue with Google. Choose your Google account. Continue. Yes. Verify you are a real person. Okay, this auto, you can make thinking of fast, choose what you want. For me, I want to choose the final version, max preview of the Qwen of 3.8. Okay, let's do it. Let's do the same thing and let's compare it after that. Here, let's start thinking. Okay, fine. Is finished creating our HTML file. Okay, how to open this HTML file? Okay, let's download it from here and let's load it. Okay, this is my website that's created by using Qwen 3.8. It's nice. Okay, let's compare it with the other one. Okay, how to compare this? Okay, this one right here. This one right here. Let's compare it one by one. Okay, let's begin with the nav menu. As you can see, Qwen 3.8, it's wins. It's create a nice nav bar. Okay, the animation Qwen 3.8 is better than the animation of the GLM 5.2. Let's go down. As you can see, the design of the Qwen 3.8 is better than the animation and the design of the GLM 5.2. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this.